Okay, the next section is the financial reality of immigration. One issue that often arises is cost. The legal fee, the filing fees, and the government costs add up quickly. How does the impact this on the families?
Honestly, this and fear of being a part of the immigration system, I think are the biggest barriers. I think it's the biggest obstacle that stop people from applying. I've seen people who could have applied for something years ago, and now that program has ended or they no longer qualify because at the time that they were eligible, they didn't, they felt like they didn't have the means, the financial means to be able to afford the legal services. So many families they could apply for a certain kind of benefit, but they feel like they just can't make it work with their finances or they just can't, afford it right now. But right now, especially with the landscape that we're seeing, these new detention policies, these new deportation policies, this is not something that you can put. It's not something that you can try and say like, okay, in a few years when I've saved up, I'll try to solve this. The timing really matters. Programs are ending, becoming more limited, challenging. You could miss out on something because of a 2-year deadline or 1-year deadline, or your child is ages out and no longer qualifies as a beneficiary. So if you delay it, that could mean even longer periods of separation, of not being able to be with your family member, longer periods of waiting before you're able to come back into the country and be together with your family member. And it could put you at risk even for removal or deportation.